Some more they drink the Magnum and the Boom, the Red Boom and Boom, the White Rum and Boom. All of them intoxicated liquor. It's like these vintage, them veteran artists I get ignorant day by day. They are so ignorant because they are so much for the limelight that they might try to make it again. When they already make it already. You understand me I say? It is totally unacceptable to see what happened. And it's not the first. Other day I see another brother and Major Mackerel in an argument and who tell who for suck them mother and who and all of that and who gay for who not gay and who this and all of them. So I said to myself, say, these veteran artists are broke and pauperized and a suffer. And the fact that them broke and pauperized, a lot of them are suffer like dog. The fact that you get a little bit of limelight, you can make a little money for feed on your family or keep on a drinking habit or keep on a buying pum pum habit because you know it's enough for you really. On a don't look sure just to get a money for go buy some pum pum a back road or to keep a little young girl going because at the end of the day, some of you don't even have a wife, don't have a girlfriend, some of you have no man. You understand? Whatever way you chose to go and all of that. See? And you get a little bit of leeway for do things and you make a fool out of yourself and attack on one another. It is totally wrong. And based on what Harry Todler said that General B a walk around and tell, let me say, I can't find the video, I tell lie on him. Whatever it is. So if General B a walk around and tell lie on you, you understand? Now what give you the right for even have somebody entourage attack the man and at the end of the day they could broke pauperize hungry belly entourage them with the one bag of man with their own where we don't give them one, just give them one beer or one boom and Red Bull for drink and that's about it. Right? You could yes man them with their own and I like when I have money for give them. Cause nothing on broke and pauperize. You understand? We don't really have no money on and do no show. And I like when I get bookings or things like that, at least you see General B in travel and doing little thing or whatever it is. But enough of them Harry Todler and them people not get no show really nobody know about them. Because there wasn't really like a household name where you can say, alright, them have something to live off and things like that. They're not a household name. They're just a local artist that just get a little song. You understand? And in a them time there, anybody could have bust in a them time there. But enough of them no maintain it. The last time I see Harry Todler when them, I think they must say, I beat him up. Or they may take one passport. When I see Harry Todler, I think I don't beat them, they may take one passport and go to find him passport and visa. I don't even know if Harry Todler can travel. Because most of the vintage artists them can't go out far as they can't go and watch it. They can't leave Jamaica and go nowhere. Maybe in a small island they can't go. Them not no visa, nothing at all. So them don't get them frustrated, them grounded, they don't know if to do it themselves, them cross. Every little thing about them. And then when people don't put them on show, they say them a fight against who set the foundation. So why would you set a foundation and then try to damage a foundation where you set then as an artist? So we don't really remember them. So if General B never really I do the boombox something, to be honest with you, a lot of these artists will go a boombox. Would you remember them? And most of you don't even know what boombox is anyway. Because enough people don't follow it. Enough people don't really follow the vintage artists them. Nobody don't really care about them like that. So if boombox never do, we remember Harry Todler and all of them. Because I don't like, you can't go tell a young person, say boy, go listen to that song, yeah? From this man or whatever it is. Their music that they make a couple years ago, big up to them for what they have done, but ain't nobody care about their music. Their music is not music where you can say, alright, boy, you can sit down and listen to. It have the substance. It did have the substance then. You understand? And it's not a diss to anybody because everybody do them part in the music industry. But you don't have to do better than that as a big man artist. As a veteran old artist when they're on the way out. You have to do better than that and set an example. You can't want attack on one another. Who draw a knife and who this and all of that. And then look into it now. Ninja Man, they are jail. Cartel, they are jail. Zebra, they are jail. Many other artists, they are jailed because of what? Things that have happened in the violent part of musical career. Right? How much more una go end up putting yourself in a situation and end up in a jail? Right? When at the end of the day, jailhouse and a phone. Jailhouse is with nobody. Because if something did happen to Harry Todler and all of that, why that happen now? To my General B, then somebody that end up in a jail. And people would have planned funeral for somebody because of a little careless, dirty mentality. Talk about una done. First of all, una not even celebrity. Una is not even celebrities. That are the worst thing. Una not celebrity like that. Because no fun no big like that. No fun no really have no substance. You feel me? So I hope that it is a learning process for a lot of you. And at the same time, if you can't get along, and these are the form of behavior that are going to keep occurring and all of that, then it's best police lock it off and you don't keep it no more before somebody end up losing their life. If you cannot operate as grown-ass person, respect each other and look out for each other, it better than cancel boombox. It better the police than lock it off and it don't keep. I want to go back on the yard, go dead for hungry like dog. Because that I go happen to enough for you. When I go dead for hungry. It better I lock off. Because people who go there for support, could have lose them life. You understand? You could have heard some people get shut up and things like that because of one bunch of careless, nasty careless, old, I don't even know if you call them big man artists that when they have no ambition. Right? When I tell you something, is this someone a big artist? We don't need to go get a 9 to 5 job, we don't need to go work. We don't need to go find a construction site and go work. Eh? We don't need to go down Mr. Chin and do some work. We don't need a job, man. We don't need to find something, mix some cement somewhere, move some block, cut some steel or build some syrup. We don't need to go work. We don't need to get a job. Because we don't try to milk. We don't try to draw water out of dry wood and it not work. We don't need to go work. We don't need to get a construction job because the music thing not work for us again. If we don't ever make it already, or not try to make it again, the whole lot need to go find a job when I do not life. We don't need to get a 9 to 5 job. 9 to 5, go work at one canteen, right? Go work at one garbage truck. Go work at one wholesale. Go be a cross guard or whatever it is. Go work in the prison and cook food. Go dig down some hill or something. We don't need a 9 to 5 job because the music will not try to push on our 5. It not work. It not go happen for no them days they over. For no kind of style enough for no have them days they ended 0. Can't come back. First of all, you can't even go on Instagram go say you go do one video and try to entertain people. Nobody no want to see no for no. Nobody no want to see you no. We don't need a job, dog. A job. J-O-B. Get a job. That means you can buy a little medication. That means as time goes by and nobody deteriorate and have something instead of people put up GoFundMe and all of that. I want to fight one another who are draw knife and who are this and entourage and this and all that. And as soon as one want to take sick, you see GoFundMe up, boy, I'm a general, you know. Look at the other day, boom down the mic dead. And the whole I want to go there. I boom down my funeral. Boy, I will general, boy, we love him and all that. All of we a unity and that. What unity you have? War I go on from before, boom down the mic dead. And all up to the funeral still bad man still a go and see him we are. And the whole I want to say we have unity, the whole I want to say we have love, and the whole I want to say we eat out of one plate. We don't need a J.O.B. dog, a job. On a vintage artist, we don't go out with nothing. We are turning a problem to we don't need a job. J.O.B. job. There's so much job offer in Jamaica we can go work. But because we don't decide so we don't want to go work, because we don't claim so we are celebrities. And we don't feel embarrassed. A man so now mix some cement. We don't need a job, dog. A J.O.B. job. We don't need to go work. Nothing we say. Because all on the do I get up every day. Right now, I'm in the live. We can't talk to nobody right now. Right now, hold on there. As far as me see, these big man artists then get up in the morning. That's how them depend. One in a mouth, one a roll, one in a bag, and them do this right through the day. And them claims that them do a song and you know, so, General, thing new, you know, yeah, man, thing nice, man. Me tell you one bad song, you know. Song I go bust, you know. No, me have to do it the way it is. What in a more? Yeah, we are good, man. You know, so we used to run the place, you know, from back in our days, you know. And no young youth, them not telling no dog. Me tell you, no, correct, no, me there, you know. And me say, I shut down New York, you know. Shut down my area for me and the whole place, you know, dog. And me tell you, know, you think shot, you know, dog. Me bust again, you know, dog. And me tell you, dog. Yeah, man, and you know, man. You know, so we go to the place last night and me tell you, boy, to the shot, you know, girl, them are going rain on. John Star and all of that, you know. And a well bush down to her ass, God. Bush down to the toes. And them tandy and them smoke weed all day. And when they ready, weed in them out. Yo, people don't know, so we do, you know. You want to link up enough with the dub plate, you know, man. You know, I'm killing you, you know. So charge you all like a bread, you know, because you don't know, say, work have to go on, you know, dog. And you man, dub plate, man, all sound, man. Link up New York, Philly, England. Link up, you know, dub plate there, Vice where? Vice where? Other not Vice, you know. First of all, no for no vintage artists where I want to carry on. Where you say charge all $200, $300. Right? For your dub plate, when you go down and now, the on internet every day about the dub plate for $20 and $30 and $50. Eh? $50 on the dub plate for. And I talk about a run place. Nobody have a book, you know. As you don't see a show, you go beg a performance and carry on the most way. Like things are going for. You need a job, dog. Weed in a mouth, weed in a hand, weed in a pocket every 5 minutes, dog. As big man, someone are 50 and 60 year old, 40 year old. You feel me? At the end of the day, someone don't even have a bank account. You don't have a bank account, nothing at all. You don't have. I want to say you don't run place and all of that. You spend more money on smoking weed and buying bush weed and smoke every day. You need to get a job, dog. You need a 9 to 5 job. You need to find a tape measure. See it, huh? You need a tape measure. Right? What I go and bossy? You need to find a tape measure. You can go measure a wall and build a wall. Mix some cement. Do some day labor. And get to the 3,500 a day or 4,000 a day. You need a job, dog. No for no vintage artists where in a party at night time. Each up in a party at night time, but in a run place. Eh? You don't need to go get a job that you can work and money and put down money that being 7,000 job dead. You don't have money for burying it because we're tired of you fighting one another and talk about unity. And tired of you have big money for go fund for burying you and you're dead. Tired of you look medication money. Tired of you have casket money put out. Tired of you don't even have a burial spot. We're tired of you now. Eh? I never want to talk about my father and flipper, that's a whole different situation. That is a whole